I'm Amy Pinney. I'm the principal at Hilltop School. Today I'm excited to be joined by Kim Adams, Director of Communications for Hammond Construction, and Corey Kiefer, Site Superintendent. They're here to give us an update on the exciting progress we're making here at our new school. Can you give us a quick update on how the construction's going so far?
As you can see, there's been a big transformation here on site. We've completed the early site package, and the early site is basically preparing the site for the main building construction. So we've stabilized the soil and compacted. We're ready for that building to be constructed. The underground utilities are in place, and the stormwater detention is in place. Some of the parents may have seen the fence and the pond up front. That's the temporary stormwater detention to protect the area during heavy rainfall events.
How are you ensuring that the project stays on time and on budget?
Well, we joined the project here back in the fall of last year, along with the design team, TDA Architecture. So we developed that master schedule in the beginning, and with input from the district and the design team, and we have milestone dates we need to meet. So we're constantly checking that as we go through the project with meetings that we have every single month. And as far as staying on budget, we do the same thing as the design team is creating the design. We're interjecting with cost estimates on the design and cost saving ideas if needed, just to ensure that we're constantly staying within that budget for both projects.
What is the main focus for the crew right now, and what are you working on today?
As of today, we have no work taking place. We're kind of the in-between phase between the early site project and the actual construction process. So here in about 2 or 3 days, you're going to start seeing our concrete crews come in and start seeing rebar and footers being dug and concrete going in the ground. That's the next step.
Can you explain some of the most visible changes that the community and families will see here at the Hilltop site?
The most visible is basically the transformation of the whole site so far. Is when I first stepped foot here, there was 4 ball fields up here, there's a little playground, there's a basketball court. And as you can see, all that's pretty well went away, and we transformed into a building pad.
What measures are being taken to ensure safety of our students and our staff as the construction continues?
We do have a construction fence the whole way around the project. It's locked up daily every time I leave. I'm the one who unlocks it in the morning, locks it up before I leave. Every subcontractor that comes on site goes through a background check, and every person that comes on site, I specifically meet with them and do a safety orientation with them to ensure the traffic flow coming in and out of here and making sure nobody's getting in the front parking lot with the buses. And
what challenges are you and the team tackling as you move forward?
Every project has different challenges. They pop up daily. The biggest one that's in my mind here that I can see us facing that we know about is the weather. We know it's mid-September, and come November, we know what could happen. But we do have a plan in place for the weather this winter. So that's the biggest one so far.
What are some of the techniques and tools that might be interesting for our families and students to know that you're using out on the site?
It could be interesting here in the next couple weeks as we're digging the footers with the machines that they'll see that we're removing the dirt, we're putting the rebar in the ground and the concrete going in the ground. That's something that once the building's up, nobody's going to know it's there. So it kind of gives them a visual of what's actually holding the building up.
What else would you like to share with our Beechwood community?
We're just excited. We're excited to be here. We're excited to be working with the school district and the community, and looking forward to a successful project for the next year.
Thank you to Kim and Corey for being here with us. For more information about this exciting project, visit the Elementary's Facilities Update section of our website at www.beechwoodschools.org.